From the feared places of the Orient, from the secret country in the Horn of Africa, comes the only media, unique technology. From the people to the people, Core TV, the most effective communication tool everywhere, anywhere, all the time. Core TV is not just a television station. It's equipped and sufficient. From the city to your office, you reach the most remote, indigenous people in Somaliland. Although this technology has been used in the West and the Eastern continents, it's now here in the Horn of Africa as the most advanced and the most reliable mode of communication. So forget about the cable, forget about the satellite, forget about the YouTube. Core TV is here for you, for us, and for the people.